Hi everybody, my name is Puneet Jain from JainMatrix Investments, and over the next few minutes I'm going to speak to you a little bit about investing in Indian stock markets and how we can help you out there. Now, the first major concept I'd like to speak to you about is wealth compounding. It's the eighth wonder of the world as per Albert Einstein, and what that means is that let me give you an example. Let's say you have about 1 lakh rupees which you want to invest, and let's assume that you are able to grow it at 20% per year. So you start with 1 lakh. How much time does it take to become 2 lakhs? It's about 4 years. How much time does that 2 lakh take to become 3 lakhs? Just an additional 2 years. How much time to 4 lakhs? An additional 1.7 years. To 5 lakhs, an additional 1.2 years. Finally, 6 lakhs, just 1 year more. What it means is that you start with 1 lakhs, and after about 9.9 years, you have a straight 6 lakhs worth of assets. That's the power of compounding, and year on year, it just grows stronger and stronger. The question I ask you is, where do you put your money that you have for use today and the next 1 or 2 days? It's probably in your wallet or purse. Where do you keep your money which you need over the next 2 to 3 months? It's probably in your bank where your salary or your business income is stored. What about 6 months to 1 year? It's probably in a fixed deposit because you don't need that money immediately and you can let it grow at 7 to 8%. And finally, where do you keep the money that you need for longer, like say 1 year plus or even your lifetime savings? My suggestion is look at compounding your money in the Indian stock exchange, investing in the right companies, because that's where you can really grow your wealth. My investment journey started as long back as 2014 when I became an investor for the first time. I was able to grow my portfolio in long-term instruments like fixed deposits and later direct equity investments. In 2008, the market crashed and the notional value of my investments fell. But that's when I realized that in a down market, you should invest using SIPs. And if you systematically invest in companies on a monthly basis, in a down market, that's where you get your rupee cost averaging at lower levels. By 2012, I had started my own company, which is JainMatrix Investments. JainMatrix.com is our website. And in 2016, I became a SEBI certified research analyst. Last I checked, I was the only research analyst providing such a service in Bangalore. We publish reports on our website on a regular basis. We help investors invest better and find high quality companies. And some of our reports are published on websites such as investing.com, indianotes.com and ipocentral.com. Very prestigious investment portals. What is the investment service that we provide? We provide an annual service where we provide 5 different things. We are able to track the markets and provide you an investment strategy based on where the market is going. We are able to invest in-depth fundamental research on good high quality companies and share that research with you for your investments. We also have 2 high quality portfolios. One is a large cap model portfolio, one is a mid and small cap model portfolio. These portfolios are available for you to do a lump sum investment or even a SIP whenever you are ready and you've understood. And they are scientifically created portfolios. We also do IPO and follow-on public offer assessments because some real gems of companies are being listed now in the markets. This year, 2016, has been fantastic for IPOs in the Indian market. And finally, but probably most important. We provide support to investors. We answer their questions, individual questions on companies or what and how to go about their investing. So it's an annual subscription in which you do direct equity investment with our guidance. You can choose any demat and trading account that you already have. And it's an advisory service with the focus very clearly on growing your wealth. Over the last 4 years of our professional existence, we have a number of wins, great wins. For example, we do early discovery of multi-baggers. Multi-baggers are companies that give you multiple times return on your investment. We have several multi-baggers in our model portfolios already. We have outperformed the Sensex and Nifty and most mutual funds. We choose only high quality companies through our research process for your investing for the long term. And now let's come to the investment outlook that I see for in the current markets. In this last 1 year, we have seen that after the 2016 February budget, the markets have given an appreciation of almost 26% from the budget levels right up to 3 months ago, and then 2 to 3 months ago it peaked out, and then it has fallen about 8% since then. So what has changed is not just a correction, small correction in a bull market, which is actually a natural process, but also several things have happened, such as demonetization, the Tata top level spat of Ratan Tata and Cyrus Mystery. We've also had some tension on the borders with Pakistan, for example. And then we had the Trump win in USA, which has put some uncertainty around some of our exporting countries like IT and pharma sector. And finally, last week, we've had a Fed interest rate hike, which was pretty much expected. Now, in this scenario, what I feel is what we can expect as investors is that, for one thing, the war on black money has just started. So we have post demonetization, we are still recovering from the shock. The next few things that will happen is a real estate regulator as well as the Benami Act, which might come into place, which is the second fight against black money. And finally, the third will be the GST implementation, which will happen next year. So these are events generated by the government, which is determined to remove black money and move to a reasonable taxation level among the individuals and businesses. What is positive in this scenario is the budget that we expect is going to come up in February of 2017, where the government is, I feel, likely to announce some good news, including perhaps lower taxes, including a step up in government spending, because they have been able to generate a good amount of funds this year through demonetization as well as direct and indirect taxes. They also should announce a GST implementation schedule by then. All of these should be very positive, so we are looking forward to that. And we can already see that the IPO market has already picked up post demonetization, and I feel there are a lot of retail participants who want to get back into the stock markets, and there's a lot of money waiting in the wings for the right opportunity. What we're trying to say is that the right opportunity is always there. Go with us. We are experienced investment advisors in the stock markets, and find the right place to invest your funds.